What's up guys, I'm John Pershurin, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube video with pretty much the cheapest camera equipment you can buy. So let's just get started. Right here I have this microphone I use, and I got that for like $9 on Amazon I think, and I've used it to shoot many videos, YouTube videos, Facebook, whatever. It's a really good mic actually, so that's a good start. And then right here I have a little selfie unit I got from Best Buy. I think I paid like $30 or $40. I guarantee you can find way cheaper on Amazon. And it's got a little handle for you. It's even got a little Bluetooth remote so you can control your video and your pictures. It's got a little bracket here for your phone, and of course a light with like 3 different filters. So that's not bad. And then on top of that, for this I just put together a simple outline and went through all the things, basically wrote down on a piece of paper all the things I wanted to cover in the video, in what order, and memorized it. And that's pretty much all you need to get started with shooting YouTube videos. Piece of paper, a pen, and all the equipment I just showed you. So you can literally get started for under 50 bucks and shoot really great videos. So I hope you guys found this video informative and you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.